Hey, welcome back guys to the part 2 of shoe project. In this tutorial, we are going to change the background color on the click of this button. When I click on it, the background will get changed and the Nike icon will be in a white and not in a black. Then the navigation bar also will get changed. It was black earlier. When we hover on it, it was black. Now it will be white. Then we have to work on shoe icon. The shoe icon is available here. When I click on this icon, that image should be available here. And again, we have this transition of 15 degrees, right? So that is what we are going to do in this tutorial. It will be short video, not much. We are just going to work on JavaScript and little bit CSS, not much with the HTML. We have to add the function on click, that's it, and we have to add one button. Okay, that is what we are going to do. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll close this. I will go to the YouTube here, HTML CSS. I will open this shoe project, open with code. Now here we have index.html. What I'll do, I will add one button. So after this icon, I will add button. This will have ID, dark mode, toggle, and this will say dark mode. I will save it. That's it for this. We have to work on CSS as well. So I will go to the CSS and I will start with the body, dark hyphen mode. So we are going to add this classes which we are going to do all the changes from the JavaScript. I'll show you that color will be black and background color was black and this will be white. Transition 0.6 second is in out. Now we have the dark mode nav bar. So this dot nav bar a. So if you have seen, we have added the nav bar, we have added the a. So that we have to do for the dark background. I mean for dark mode. So again we have this nav bar. Can copy it. You can paste it here, and this will be I tag. Here we will be adding the color white. Transition 0.6 seconds is in out. Now again we will be having the dark color nav bar a hover, comma, and I hover, background color RGB a 255, 255, 255 and 0.966. Color will be black. Border radius will be 4 pixels. Transition will be 0.3 seconds. and here we have to style the content container as well. This will be background color 222, a lighter shade of black it will be, and color will be white. Now we will be having this ID also on this one. Also, we removed earlier ID. You can add the ID. I just added it right now. Can add that. Background color will be 333. Color will be again white. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be none. Cursor pointer. Font weight bold. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Then we have dark mode toggle. Hover, and background color will be 5 3 times. I'll save it. There will be no difference to it, just with the button which we have added, I guess. Let's run this. So this is how it looks. If you see, we have the button for dark mode. Now what we have to do, we have to work on the click of this button. Then we have to work on the this icon as well. I guess I haven't added correct image here, so I'll go. I'll close this also. I haven't closed that. So this, what I'll do here, it was small shoe one. Now, if I will see that, this is here a black shoe. Now, what we have to do, we have to create the script.js and we have to add that. I will create that now, script.js, and I will add it here, script src script.js. We will work on JS now. Script.js, we will create the const. This will be dark toggle equals document dot get element by ID. We can get the ID from here. We will add it here. Then we will have another const. This will be a Nike logo is equal to document dot get element by ID. Nike logo, which is available here, so I'll copy it and I will paste it here. Now what we have to do, we have to add one function, and this will be for change shoe image. This will be image src, and const main image is equal to document dot query selector dot shoe image. Okay, so this we have to get, and we have to add that here. We have to add the dot because it is class, and main image dot src is equal to image src. So what I'll do, I'll go to the browser and we will check if we are able to see the image. If I click on it, I can see nothing. I'll inspect this. Okay, we won't be able to see anything because we have to add the on click on the image. So what I'll do, I will go here and here it will be on click will be our function name here, and it will be this in single quotes, and paste it. I will copy it and I will paste it here, here, and here. We'll get this link and I will add it here. I will add this here and I will add this here. So guys, why we are adding this? It is because in JavaScript we are getting the image link from that class and we are adding to our main image, which is the main image, which is this one, right? This is our main image, which is the bigger image in our project, which is this one. So whatever we are getting from the function, we are adding in this place. Now let's work on another function. Now we have dark mode toggle dot add event listener click comma function document dot body dot class list dot toggle dark hyphen mode Nike logo dot style dot opacity will be 0, and we will add the set timeout. Inside this again we will have the round bracket if document dot body dot class list dot contains dark hyphen mode, then Nike logo dot src is equal to double quotes shoe images slash Nike white, which we can get it from here, and it will be JPG. We have dark model toggle dot text content is equal to double quotes light mode else Nike logo dot src is equal to the image which we have already added, right? So this one, and dark toggle content will be this, it was light, now it will be again dark. We'll come outside else, and here the Nike logo dot style dot opacity will be 1. Here it will be 500, and that's it. Now if we go and if I click on dark mode, there might be some issue to this. Okay, add event listener, I have messed up with the spelling. This will work now. If I click on it, you'll be able to see the background color and the container color has changed and everything looks good. The Nike logo is also changed, but when I click on it, nothing happens. I guess we have messed up with the, here, maybe, let's see. It will be query select, not all, but a select. If I save it now and if I see, if I click on it, it is getting changed. And now this black, and I click on dark mode, this looks good. This looks very good UI with the black color and the black shoes. It is definitely looking a better UI. I mean, the shoe is looking kind of 3D image stick to a website. So guys, that is it with the shoe project. uh, Whatever we told, we have achieved. And I'll be back with another series like this, I mean another project like this, where we will work on HTML CSS and we will create a good UI. So stay tuned. Thank you and bye.